Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crochet Audrey stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the single crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the Audrey stitch. This is what it will look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. You're going to make one single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Chain one, skip one, make one single crochet into the next chain. Chain one, skip one, make a single crochet, chain one, skip one, make a single crochet, continue that for your first row. I will then show you how to make the row that you will repeat on the row that I am currently working. And I have already made one chain on my hook. So to begin, you're going to make one single crochet into this first stitch. Now you can see just like that first row that we made down here, there's a single crochet, chain one, skip, single crochet, chain one, skip. You're going to skip over this little space created from the chain one and you're going to work into this single crochet, making a single crochet. So you're going to chain one, skip over that space and make a single crochet into this one. Same thing, chain one, skip over that open space, make a single crochet into this one. Chain one, skip over the space, make a single crochet into this previous single. You can see how it's now matching up with the first row that you made. Chain one, skip over the open space right here between these two singles, work a single into this previous single. Chain one, skip this open space, make a single crochet in this previous single crochet. You're going to continue that for the rest of your row. When you get to the last stitch of your row, you're simply going to make a single crochet like normal. It's going to match that single crochet made at the beginning of your row. So like I said at the beginning, you will repeat this row for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the crochet Audrey stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.